In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project in Jira Cloud, a comprehensive tutorial tailored for beginners. Whether you're part of a burgeoning startup or a well-established corporation, Jira offers flexible project management solutions to accommodate any team. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, open up your Jira Cloud instance. Once there, you'll find the Projects menu conveniently located in the navigation bar, a centralized hub for all your project management needs. Click on it and keep an eye out for the Create Project button or something similar. Your journey starts here. Now, with your project underway, it's time to select a template that best aligns with your team's specific needs. Jira offers a variety of templates, each designed to cater to different project styles, whether you need agile boards, Scrum methodologies, or something more streamlined like Kanban. Take a moment to consider your team's workflow and opt for the template that will facilitate rather than hinder. Next, you'll need to decide between creating a company-managed or a team-managed project. This choice determines how the project's settings and schemes are managed. Company-managed projects provide more comprehensive customization suitable for larger organizations, while team-managed projects allow teams to have more autonomy and control over configuration, perfect for smaller teams or those who thrive on flexibility. With those decisions out of the way, it's time to give your project a clear and descriptive name. This is important because the project name should effectively communicate the project's purpose or goal to everyone involved, especially new team members. A thoughtful, concise project name keeps everyone aligned and eliminates guessing. Following this, a project key will be automatically generated for you, often derived from the project name. If for any reason it's not auto-generated, you'll need to create one yourself. The project key serves as a unique identifier for your project, used in the ticketing system, and should be easy to remember. Now you're moving to more tailored settings. Depending on your chosen project type and template, you might have the chance to configure additional settings such as permissions, workflows, and issue types. These configurations shape how your team interacts with the project, so consider the level of access and functionality desired. Spend some time setting these carefully, as they can greatly impact efficiency and security. Once you've meticulously checked all the settings and feel satisfied with everything, it's time to finalize the process. Simply click on the Create button to breathe life into your new project. A confirmation will signify a successful project setup, allowing you to immediately begin assigning tasks, tracking progress, and optimizing your workflow. And there you have it. Creating a new project in Jira Cloud is straightforward once you understand each step and how it contributes to managing your work efficiently. Thanks to Jira's robust features, you're well equipped to elevate your team's productivity. Thanks for joining me today, and happy project management.